Hello, I am Judge Yolanda Huff. I preside over County Court 12 in the Mental Health Court. I am up for my third term as judge. This campaign season, 2026. And I'm really in my going into my 8th year as judge. And since I've been on the bench for these last 7, going on 8 years, one of my main missions has been is just to educate the community about the judiciary. And I mean that so wholeheartedly. My judicial philosophy is that I am a public servant and I work for the people. The people do not work for me. And I follow the law. And I try to do that to the uptee. And sometimes that doesn't make people happy. That doesn't make defense attorneys happy. But I don't care. I'm there for a purpose. The people in the community have voted me in. And I'm going to follow the law and I'm going to follow ethics to the max. And I don't care what anyone says. I'm not going to betray my oath. And I'm going to do my due diligence as a judge, which is a canon of the judiciary and a judge, is to educate the community about the judiciary. It means a lot to me that you, the taxpayers, the community, understand what the judiciary, understand what the resources are in the courthouse. Because I know a lot of people like to say knowledge is power. For me, knowledge is freedom. Because you don't know what you don't know. And freedom gives people opportunity. It tells a defendant that there are resources in the judiciary that they didn't know before. That if they come in, enter in with a mental health illness and a substance abuse, there's a 12-month program. And if they successfully complete that 12-month program, not only does the case get dismissed, it gets totally expunged from their record. I believe in therapeutic justice. I believe in giving people a second chance. And I want the community to know this. There's not enough people in the community that know that these kind of resources exist in the judiciary. And one of my missions as judge is to tell the community that these resources do indeed exist in the judiciary.